Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about will versus would, where to use would and where to use will. Some of you may not use them correctly and somewhere we are confused. So we are going to talk about will versus would and where to use them correctly. So let's start it. If we talk about will and would, both are modal verbs actually. So we use will to talk about the future decisions, promises, predictions, and determination. For example, I'll call you tomorrow. She will pass the exam. We will visit Delhi next week. Don't worry, I'll help you. So here we are talking about future, predictions, determination. And keep in mind, whenever we use modal verbs, either we use first verb form or we use third verb form. If it is in active voice, then we use first verb form. If it is in passive voice, we always use third verb form and we use be before that. So we are talking about will versus would. So will we use for predictions, future decisions, and promises. If we talk about would, would is something imaginary. If we compare will with would is imaginary and would is a past verb form of will. For example, I would travel the world if I had money. This is imaginary situation. So for imaginary situations, we can use would. Would you would you like to have a cup of tea? Is just a polite offer. You are offering someone. So for offerings, we can use would as well. When we were kids, we would play in the field every morning. So it is past habit. For past habits, for imaginary situations, and for polite requests and offers, we use would. And it's past verb form of will, as I told you. He said he would come later. The same sentence we make in present, then we can say he says he will come later. So in past, would come later. Will is for real future, would is for imaginary or polite requests. Will is direct, would is more polite. If you think that this video was helpful for you, share, subscribe this channel.